Hello everyone, hope you are all well. In this video, I'm going to show you the top best 5 foldable treadmills right now. That can be the perfect addition to your home gym. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you haven't already. Let's get started. Number 1. Bowflex Treadmill T22. The Bowflex Treadmill T22 is a great addition to your fitness routine. This motorized treadmill features 16 workout programs, 4 user profiles, and 22x60 running path. With 350 lbs of max weight capacity and 15 years frame and motor warranty, this treadmill is perfect for beginners looking to get in shape or experts who need a reliable piece of equipment in their home gym. Separate subscriptions are required for JRNY app use but have no additional cost if not used. The Bowflex treadmill has an expert tone, so it's best suited for customers interested in working with professionals when designing workout programs. The ComfortTech cushion deck and soft drop folding technology make it one of the best folding treadmills. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 2. ProForm 705 CST Folding Treadmill. Cut your workout time down to only 12 minutes with the ProForm Treadmill. Fit live workouts allow you to take training sessions from an actual physical trainer in your home, and the stream button syncs up any exercise video for a hands-free experience. The 5 backlit display tracks distance, speed, estimated calorie burn, and more. With quick speed controls at 0 to 12 mph and quick incline at 0% 12%, you'd be hard-pressed to find something this machine couldn't do for all of your fitness needs. This is the perfect treadmill for runners who want an efficient workout that includes challenging hills and tough challenges. Includes iFit, so every time you finish your session, it automatically calibrates to tailor its difficulty level to your personal fitness goals. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Horizon Fitness 7.8 at Treadmill. Custom training material is now available from many treadmill manufacturers, and in a sense, they lock you into their ecosystem. So even though the Horizon encourages you to take full advantage of the studio class experience, it's trainer agnostic. The foldable treadmill has a steel frame, which gives it a strong foundation, sturdy and durable enough to handle more intense runs. In addition, its motor is quite powerful, not to mention steady and quiet, and comes with a lifetime warranty. A creative option for fitness novices to elite runners, a Horizon Fitness Advanced Training Studio Treadmill has several perfect features for any training style. A running deck of 60, ensuring you have the ability to reach your limits regardless of how much you keep in mind. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7909. A Sunny Health and Fitness folding electric treadmill might be just what you're looking for. Get up to 7.5 miles per hour and incline as high as 12% with this portable machine. The robust 2.0 HP motor won't let you down even when running your hardest. With handrail controls at the ready, quick adjustments are only a few taps away. And don't forget about safety, this unit accommodates a weight capacity of up to 220 lbs. You'll be fueled by increased stamina and stay injury-free with this investment that's perfect for marathon training. The best folding treadmills are the ones that offer a near-equal experience to their full-size counterparts, but with convenient portability. This treadmill has an LCD display that tracks your speed and distance via simple LED lights. The treadmill folds up for storage or transport between areas of use. If you like a product, see the link in the description below. Number 5. Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill. The Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill offers an industry-leading warranty and a proprietary cushion flex whisper deck, shown in a study to reduce the impact on your joints by up to 40% compared to running on asphalt. The treadmill features many standard features, including 4.0 CHP, DC-type motor with a 0.5 to 12 mph speed range, from 0 to 15% rack and pinion gear design, incline, 2.9 LCD workout displays, 6 standard programs that include 2 custom programs, 2 heart rate programs that can be customized for individual needs. Workouts are easy to understand because the console shows all the measurements you'll need right away. A leading choice for the price-conscious exerciser, Soul Fitness F85 Folding Treadmill packs much punch with workout options and features. The Soul Fitness F85 is a mid-range treadmill with an industry-leading warranty. I hope you got the information about the best foldable treadmills. If you enjoy the video, do like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching.